Who are you?
Yeah. Hi, I am Tamara, and this is my mom.
Esther.
Hi, hi. And I just need to say I'm very thankful, grateful to come to your house today
Hi.
and to see one of my students and her mum. Now, just before we begin, where are you from before you came to Australia?
We are Assyrian from Iraq. Yeah.
And how long have you been in Australia?
Well, we have 1 year and a half. We have been in Australia now.
And so tonight we're going to do some cooking with Tamara's mum. And what are we going to make?
My mom will make baklava. We
Baklava.
say baklava.
You say, how do you say it?
Baklava.
Baklava. We say baklava.
Baklava, yeah, I know.
Very good.
Yeah.
So if your mum wants to start talking, what does she do? That would be fantastic. Go.
قمعي أول تدخل زبد.
We will put the butter here
Yeah.
on the first thing.
This
Sorry.
أناني إلى
And
فستق.
we need pistachio
Very nice.
for that one.
حتى مترخة water.
We will put a little bit water on it.
Very good.
Yeah.
A bit of oil.
No water.
Water.
Just to be water. Yeah, to be like put it together.
Yeah.
أولي butter إلى.
This is butter.
Ah, already.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
To put it on that one.
أولي أخواني sugar.
And yeah, we make that one.
1
it's
cup sugar.
Oh, 1 cup of sugar.
Cup sugar. Lemon.
lemon. Yeah,
lemon
lemon,
juice.
half a lemon. 1 cup sugar.
1 pelge water.
Yeah, half a cup water.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. And who taught your mum to cook this? How does she know?
It's
هل مودي أمريلي.
hell. We put that one on Shiri Mudia.
What's this?
هل.
Oh, what is it? Oh, it smells beautiful.
It was there. I think I don't know the name.
Wow.
كاشوج ما يعني شاي زورتها.
Yeah. One like that one. We will put it 1
1 teaspoon.
teaspoon. Yes, from that one here. And pistachio and that one.
Perfect.
Yeah. what can I أخذ مثلا?
Do you make that or do you buy
No,
that?
we buy. It's
Where do you buy
you
that?
can on Coles, Woolworths. Yeah,
easy.
yeah.
مرده باكيت منه.
Yeah.
Ah.
1 packet of it, and but it's very like dry quickly,
Yeah.
so you should put it like you or should you do the work quickly to not dry. Yeah.
Very nice. So that's filo.
Yeah.
مثلا مناظر دي.
مناظر أكل.
How many layers in that?
كمان لا إنه يفلك ما طبقات لا.
هلا مناظر دي.
Oh, we need the glasses.
إيثار.
Oh, it's like paper.
Yeah.
3.
3.
We
Your
will
mum does
take
speak
3.
in
Yeah, yeah.
English. Ah. 3 layers. How did your mum learn this?
She learned that my sister, mother-in-law, she know to do it. Yeah.
Wow. Oh, so your sister's married?
Yeah.
Ah. So she taught your mum?
Yeah.
Oh, I
She
love
tell
that.
us how we can do it.
Okay, the butter.
We will put the butter here.
And do you know how to make this, Tamara?
Yeah. The first time I made it. After that, it be work of my mom.
That's great. It's great to share the recipes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
And I think it's very easy.
Yeah.
It's not
But
like.
this is perfect.
Yeah.
Because this wouldn't be something I would make. So this is good for me to learn.
It's very easy. You
Because
can
I love
make it.
eating it. I love baklava.
I love to. Yeah, you love it too.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And what's in the bowl again? Can you
This
tell me?
bowl,
No,
but
the other one.
That one,
That
pistachio. Yeah.
Pistachios. Do you
Yeah.
buy them like that? Or-
Yeah, it has like that in the store.
جوزي
ما كنت جوزي مودينا. Like I
ما صار جوزي تمام
yeah. كده قرين مودينا.
جوز
بس ما مري لا. You can do it even by but nut.
Oh.
Yeah, instead of the pistachio, you can put nut.
Yeah, other nuts, yeah. The pistachio is the main
But yeah,
one
the
for
main.
baklava, yeah.
And I think hell is cardamom in English. Cardamom.
Cardamom.
Yeah,
No,
cardamom. Yes.
Yeah.
That
Oh,
one
that
is.
smell was
Yeah. We put it in
beautiful.
sweets.
Yeah.
Always.
It comes in a seed
Yeah.
and you have to
We
squash
to
it.
squash. Yeah.
Okay, here we go. So now we're
Yeah,
putting the
we were-
pistachios on.
Yeah.
Right. And in the pistachios a bit of water, did you say?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm. Yum, yum, yum. Does your mum cook all the time?
Yeah.
You don't cook. Does mum do all the cooking? Oh, and see now we fold it over. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll just move the one from the front here. This one.
That one?
Yeah, move that so we can see it really clearly what your mum's doing. It's great. Yeah. Lovely. Oh.
Yeah.
When would you eat baklava? Every night? Is it for special with coffee?
Every
Yeah.
every time we
Yeah.
like every time we can. Mm-hmm. Easy.
Easy.
Yeah. No.
Uh-huh.
You will cut like
Yeah,
that
and
one.
then you cut them.
Yeah. Bobby.
Did you say this is just from Coles, from the supermarket?
Yeah.
I've never seen this before. Where in the supermarket? Show me the bag. Show me the label.
كان أي دية مي قبخ دية أو غلاف دي كان.
ولا تماش تبتاعي مخزن على دي ولا
أريد خذخ تلخ. This is one.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Everyone watching will probably go, "Oh, Louise, of course, we've
Yeah.
seen that." I wouldn't be looking for it, so very good, Tamara. Okay,
Yeah.
that helps. What are famous foods, like Iraqi famous foods? Like,
Iraqi
yeah.
is dolma.
Dorma.
Dolma, yeah, it's very
Biryani.
famous. Biryani.
Biryani. See,
Biryani.
I think of that as Indian. Isn't that
Yeah, no.
interesting?
It's no, it's just
It's
the
rice,
yeah,
isn't
the
it?
taste it maybe will be different between like Iraq,
Ah.
because the Indian put the curry that yes, spicy one.
Yeah.
In Iraq, no.
No.
Yeah.
So is Iraqi food spicy or not?
No.
No.
No, not spicy, yeah.
And would your mum cook Iraqi food every night?
Yeah, every day.
Do I say Iraqi or Assyrian? What do you prefer? What
It's
is-
we say Assyrian.
You say
because
Assyrian,
yeah, Assyrian,
yes.
because we have some foods like we Assyrian have dukhwa, the Arab don't do like that. Yeah.
Okay.
But the most our food is similar, Assyrian and
Yeah.
Iraq. So Assyrian is, I think, is have in Iraq, in Syria, in Turkish half Assyrian.
Yeah.
So that's the food
so
is
in Syria there are Assyrian.
yeah, Assyrian.
In Turkey there are Assyrian.
Assyrian, yeah.
I don't think I knew that.
Even in Irish have
Assyrian.
Assyrian, yeah.
Really?
Yeah. But the mine, like in ancient, the mine, like it was Nineveh, and all this area it was include to Nineveh, like. But after that, it's separate, like you know, it been countries and half Arabic, Kurdish, and all, yeah.
I don't think I knew that. I don't think.
Yeah.
So in Iraq, this sort of food would be
Yeah.
eaten a lot, wouldn't it?
Yeah, you have baklava, and when you went to the store anywhere, you will see that in sweets.
It's the sweets.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because people, it's thick. Because to have a coffee, you would
Yeah,
have.
we have
piece of
baklava.
Yeah.
And when we have special like events and something, we do it that, and we get baklava.
Yeah. No, it's very interesting.
The main like we every day, the main meal for us is rice. Rice with with soup. Some soup that will be different, but the main thing
The
is
main
rice.
thing is
Yeah,
rice.
yeah,
I would not have imagined that.
yeah.
Isn't that interesting?
يعني مرة بقلاوة كنت خطأ طريقة ويفك مير فرشي لقم دواني صينية ودارا لها ريشة وخبقينا دارا في كمية طباق ريشة ومقسمينها بس
She said that you can do it that different ways.
Yeah.
Some people do it like just put it half from this under like, and you put the pistachio, or you pull it, and after that you put another layer to it. And you cut it, it will be baklava.
Yeah, but that's
But
what
we
I
do
like.
like
Everyone
yeah.
has a different way. Yeah. This is good. I love seeing this. The different way of doing it. And is this going to go in the oven?
Yeah.
For how long in the oven?
I think 1.5 hour.
Half an hour.
Maybe a little, yeah, less from half maybe. ما بيعشى تمام.
هي أول قد دواني مجمل كلها ما لي مجمل.
This is for when you do this will be filled like that.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, when you do the whole packet.
Yeah,
you
whole
mean?
pack, yeah.
Yeah. So your mum would have left sisters and brothers in Iraq?
Yeah, 2 sisters in Iraq. Yeah.
Well, she's amazing.
بس
She
أنا
did it
بقوا
for...
خارجي
Yeah.
قد ولا
But the other sister brother is around the world. She has 1 sister and 1 brother, and her mom is in Sweden. Yeah, or Sweden.
They're in Sweden.
Yeah, and 1 sister and 1 brother in Germany, and 2 sisters in US.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, this is the close one. Even the other relatives we have in France, we have in Canada. Yeah, and one uncle, our uncle is, my uncle is in Sydney as well.
Look at this big tray. Yum.
Yeah. I think this is the last one, eh?
Beautiful.
Finished. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
now butter on top.
Butter, yeah.
gives them a little coat.
Now
a
you
little
put-
oven. That's a cute little oven.
هاي خدش
Oh, hang on a minute. Hang on. That's so cute.
Yeah.
Look at that. Got a cute little oven here. Perfect. That's lovely.
You will now you will مبلخة.
See, what I love is the smell. Smells beautiful.
Beautiful, yeah.
Delicious. Oh, beautiful. Oh, yum. You can see how they expand. Yeah. Oh, now we're going to put the syrup on.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Ah, final touch.
Finally, yeah.
Yeah, it looks fantastic. Ooh. And it smells beautiful.
Yeah. المقشات الورد تخلى.
Your mum is my first Assyrian cook on my video.
Lucky.